Hi everyone, this is Raksha from Calilio, and in today's video we're going to learn how you can use the dial pad to make calls. From the dashboard, navigate to the left and click on this icon. After that, a rectangular dialog box will appear on the right hand side of the screen. Here, you can type out the phone number that you want to make calls to. By clicking on this drop-down arrow, you can choose the country code of the country you want to make calls to. You can also access the contact section from this box and call directly from a saved contact. To access contact, click on this icon. From the contact page, you can choose a contact that you want to make calls to from the list given and also search up their name. You can filter the search by their name, number, or email. To make a call, just click on the contact, then a dialog box will appear on the right hand side. Click on this icon to make a call. And that's it for dialpad. If you found this video helpful, follow us for more Calilio content. Thank you for watching.